Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable button method of taking screenshot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If you are going to take a screenshot using power button and volume down button together, and if you press together, usually screenshot will be taken, but in my case it's not working. In your case also, if it's not working, what you got to do is you got to do some changes in the settings of your phone. Just go to the settings of your phone here and then go to additional settings and here select screenshot, and here you got to turn on this button power and volume down buttons. Just to turn on this button so that it will take a screenshot. Okay, now see here, I am going to take with power button and volume down button together. Pressing power button and volume down button together and screenshot is taking. So in this way you can easily enable button method of taking screenshot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.